Hello and welcome to my Lab Zero explanation video. Here we have the Lab Zero circuit that we're working on. It's an XOR, but not in the form of an XOR. So it does everything an XOR does, just with ands and ors. So you can see both are off. And the only input that will turn on is Y if one of the inputs is on, but if both are on, Y will not turn off. You can see here in our JTK wave, right here. In the first example, none of them are on, so Y is off. Second example, B is on, so Y is on. Third example, A is on, so Y is on right here. And the fourth example, both A and B are on and Y is off. Thank you very much.